Hello friend. Today my topic is a manufacturing of cement. I already discussed composition of cement and what is cement. I already tell us cement is known as a Portland cement because England in Portland state rock is found similar property of cement. First, what is raw material required? Now basically manufacturing of Portland cement raw material divided into two categories. One of them calcareous material means containing calcium carbonate like limestone, chalk, marble, etc. etc. And aggregates material like silicate containing material, clay, shell, slag, and blast furnace. Marble is a formula of calcium carbonate, limestone, calcium carbonate, and chalk. All are contain calcium carbonate. And one of component will be required gypsum. CeSO4.2H2. Gypsum delay the setting time of cement. I will discuss next lecture. Now manufacturing of cement by two process, wet process and dry process. Now manufacturing of cement is artificial reverse by wet process or rotary kiln process. Rotary kiln process of manufacturing of Portland cement. Now what is the procedure? What is the step? Manufacturing of cement by rotary kiln process or wet process done by three steps. First step mixing the raw material, second step burning the mixture of rotary kiln, and third is the grinding. Now mixing the raw material, maybe raw material may be mixed by dry process or wet process. In dry process, water is not added, but in wet process water is added. And I already discussed this difference wet process and dry process next lecture. This is the manufacturing diagram. Manufacturing of rotary kiln, manufacturing of Portland cement by rotary kiln process. In cement industries, this is a water, limestone, clay. Ball mill may be used for crushing the material. Okay, convert the fine powder and add a slurry tank. This is a rotary clean pipe. Every industry rotary clean pipe inclined 5 to 6 inches, and in this chimney maybe slurry may be introduced, and we add a hot air and cool powder. Heating process not directly heated, maybe heated in the hot air because hot air is a more heat contained. And in this part highest temperature, this is past lowest temperature, and I will discuss one by one steps. Now first is the upper part of this rotary kiln, this one portion known as a drying zone. In this zone most of water removed, and then slurry is all heated. Then next slurry will be enter next heating zone. This one temperature is a 400 to 700 degrees centigrade. In this zone magnesium carbonate decompose. Now next slurry will be enter next zone. This is the highest temperature, this is the lowest temperature. Next zone the temperature, this is known as a temperature 700 to 1000 degrees centigrade, calcinizing or decarbonating zone. In this zone, calcium carbonate decompose, calcium oxide and CO2 is formed, and finally this raw material may be enter hottest zone. This is known as a clinkering zone. The temperature 1500 degrees centigrade, and various type of reaction done. Raw material between reaction done the raw material, and finally reaction mixture of silicate is obtained like calcium oxide combined with silica. मिट्टी से combined होता है, डाइकैल्शियम सिलिकेट बनता है. This is representing C2S. Then same symbol tricalcium silicate may be formed. Tricalcium aluminate may be formed, tetracalcium aluminoferrate, C4EF. These component form after reaction. Can I say in cement these components are present? Aluminium silicate, calcium silicate, iron silicate. These components are may be present. Now, can I say next after this is raw material exists in the rotary kiln. This is known as not cement. This is known as a clinker. So that in clinker may be added gypsum. And what is the function of gypsum? Gypsum delay the setting time of cement, and this gypsum may be delay the setting time of cement, and with the help of ball mill. And finally gypsum mixed in clinker, clinker may be cooler and cooler. And finally these raw material the mixing the gypsum, finally cement, Portland cement are ready to packaging. Now why will we discuss what is the difference dry process and wet process? It is a very slow and costly process. Wet process comparatively faster and cheaper. Dry process में जो rotary kiln का size था, there is small rotary kiln required, but in wet process large size of rotary kiln process required, and in dry process cement produce are inferior quality, but wet process cement are produce superior quality and best quality. In this process, this dry process will be used when raw material hard, wet process is used when raw material is soft. So that basic difference, fuel consumption as we discussed with the dry process, fuel consumption is the less required because moisture is not removed and shorter clean is required. But wet process, fuel consumption is the higher and longer clean is required. So we will discuss the manufacturing of cement in three processes, basically three type of raw materials: calculated, cyclic, and gypsum. And what is this? What is the three steps? First, mixing the raw material, burn in the rotary kiln. Finally, clinker is obtained. Clinker gypsum is being added. So that I will discuss today's manufacturing of cement by rotary kiln process by or weight